Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to post on TikTok for everyone to see. So the first thing we'll do is go to our app library and search for TikTok. Then we will open up TikTok. Once opened, we'll go to the bottom right corner and select the profile option. Then once in the profile page, what we'll do is go to the top right corner and tap on the three lines button. And here we'll select the option that says settings and privacy. Then under the account section, we will select the option that says privacy. And here we can see that our account has been set to a private account. We need to turn this off and we will switch it to a public account. So once it's switched to a public account, our videos can be seen by everyone else, not only our own followers and friends. So we also need to make sure that our videos are not set to private specifically. So in order to make sure of that, what we need to do is go back to our main page. And once on the main page, we'll go to the button that says plus on the bottom, tap on that. And once here, we'll try to create a simple TikTok. I'm going to choose a photo from the gallery. Let me select this one and click next. So once we have a media element, either a photo or a video to be posted, the next thing what we'll do is go to the top right corner and tap on the gear icon. Here under settings, we'll see an option that lets us control who can view the post. We have everyone, friends, and only you. We need to make sure that this is set to everyone so that everyone can see our videos. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.